This is a great dish, Italian wrapped chicken. Now it's a good example of an all-round family meal because both the grown-ups and the kids will love it. Now for this, you'll need chicken, garlic soft cheese and Parma ham. And then you'll just need some olive oil to drizzle on at the end. It's really easy, this one. It's all oven baked, just the same as the gorgeous McCain Home Roasts that I've got. So first for the chicken, preheat the oven to 220. Then make a small pocket in each chicken breast and fill with the cream cheese. Lay 2 slices of the Parma ham on a flat surface and then put the chicken on top. Then wrap the chicken in the Parma ham, and I've got a top tip, leave it in the paper because you'll find it easier to wrap the chicken that way, then peel it away at the end. Then place your chicken breast onto the baking tray and drizzle with the olive oil. Pop into the hot oven for 25 to 30 minutes until cooked through. And at the same time, add your McCain Home Roasts. So there's your Italian wrapped chicken. I've served mine with veg and roast potatoes.